So I met this friendly guy who is also a boatman who is offering me a boat ride because today is the last day for the boats, and as you can see the water level has risen dangerously. So I have an old picture of this Janki Ghat, and this graphic is clearly visible, as well as the steps go right till here. So this complete area has been submerged, and what he's saying is it has just submerged in the morning. So he's got a motorboat. He offered me to go for a ride being the last day, and then maybe for the next month or even more the boat rides will stop completely. So this is where the water level has reached. That's the flow of water. These are the marooned boats, and here if you're able to see, you can imagine how fast the water is flowing. So that's how fast the water is rushing, and we are going back to this flight of stairs.